Hello folks, today we're going to be looking at a little 12 band spectrum analyzer I bought off of Amazon. It's a little DIY kit. I put this together. It took a little while to put together. I mean that's a lot of LEDs. Real easy to solder. There is some SMD soldering on it. I know a lot of people are intimidated by that, but once you get down a technique for SMD soldering, and I recommend drag soldering. Basically all you do, you would just use a chisel tip. That's just a little chisel tip. You just wet the tip just a little bit till you get a little pool here on the end. You want to use a little flux, and you just run that flux right down the side, right on the pins. And then you would take your iron, just wet the tip, and you'll stick this end. You just stick the opposing ends. Then you wet it again. You stick it tight against the chip and just drag down the pins. If you drag and it quits soldering, just stop, add a little bit more solder, and just drag right down it. It's super easy. And once you get it down, it's not hard. If you get a bridge, just clean the tip of your iron off, lay it on there, and it'll suck it right off. There's nothing to it. It's quite easy. If you want to look on the internet about drag soldering, you don't need a fancy tip. Just a chisel tip will work just fine, and it's easy. I mean, nothing to it. That was the first time I drag soldered, and it worked out fine. So just goes to show you, it's not that hard. So we'll take a little listen to this thing, and you can see how cool it is. It works pretty good. I like it. Took a little while to get it. It's from a company called ICstation, but you can find it on Amazon. I think it's 15 bucks, something like that. Comes with a little case, which I have not built yet, but I just seen how cool it was. I wanted to go ahead and shoot a video on it. It's neat. I like it. I'll put a link down in the description if you're interested in getting it. But it works very well. Let me see if I can find something. It has another mode too. I'm not exactly sure what this mode does, but let's see. I don't know if that's a broader spectrum and the other one's like dual channel. I'm not sure, but there is a little difference in it. I think that's what it is. I think one is the overall spectrum, and um, two is the individual channels. So yeah, I think that's what it is. I'm not exactly sure, what the difference between the modes are, but as you can see, there is a difference. But anyways, you get the idea. If you want this thing, there's a link down below. It was easy to build. It's got nice big pads, nice plated through holes. It's a pretty nice circuit board too. So anyways, have a good day. Stay with me. A lot more coming. Have a good one. Bye bye.